Hello, this is David E. Hilster, and I'm here to show those who can do this to log into our John Chappell Fuze account and create an event for video conferencing. So I'm going to come in here. You can see here are the ones before. You can see every Saturday we've been having them. Unfortunately and then stupidly, you cannot copy them. That's just a ridiculous stupidity on their side. But that's the way it goes. I'm going to talk with them. Maybe they can put that feature in. You'd think it'd be pretty simple. Anyways, let's go ahead and do a meeting. So you go here and you say schedule a meeting, and we need to CNPS Saturday morning science discussion. So I've clicked on that, and it takes some time. Things don't go real fast here. CNPS Saturday morning science discussion. There we go. Let's put our date there. It's not, that's today's date, so we'll click on this. And we had the 17th is the next time, so we'll do that. And the time will be from I'm doing it from the East Coast time, so 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's in my time. I believe if it's in your time, you need to put it in. I'm not really sure. You'll find out once you see it and everything. The agenda. Well, if you don't have the agenda, again, we can't copy this, which is stupid. So I'm going to go ahead and come over here to our website. There we go. And we're going to click on the one that's coming up tomorrow. And I will just copy and paste from here. Down here, just do a copy and paste. Copy and switch over. Paste. There we go. Open meeting. You can pretty much leave this. You don't want to do record because we don't need that. Auto accept all. Enable auto chimes on every internet. And no, we don't want to hear that ding all the time, especially when we're recording. So we'll go ahead and save that message. And there we have it. So we have a start there, but we don't want to necessarily do that. So we can click on it, and then we can do copy information. Now, there we have the copy information or copy the link. So we're going to leave that. Now we're going to go over here and now go to our website and click on that and make something. So let's log in. In this case, we'll log in as Franklin. I think it's still there. If not, it may reject it, and I'll have to put in the nope, we're in as Franklin. Let's go to the website here. So we've made it on Fuze. We're going to go to the dashboard for the website that we've logged in. You have to have admin rights for all of these things, obviously. We're going to go to events under group them, and we are going to, in this case, we can copy the event here, and that's what we're going to do. And that basically copies everything. And the only thing we need to change here is this to the 17th. But actually, you can actually do something else. But I prefer just to leave it here and then change the numbers. So let's take a look at the number. We can copy this to copy the meeting link. That's what we'll do. Come over here. We'll put it right here. Cut and paste. Oops, we don't want to do that. I'm sorry. Let's get rid of this. This gets me tricky sometimes with these things, so it's best just to get rid of it and then copy and I just hit a paste. Takes some time sometimes. Hello. It's recording, doing all this stuff. There we go. See the new number there? I'm going to take that as well. I'm going to get rid of this. Put the number here. Now we can make these links. The way we do that is just to do that. Copy and paste up. I think you can just hit that there. I think that's, oh no, I guess not. Copy that. Bring in here. Hit that. Hit return. Oops. Okay, it's not doing it. Meeting ID. Let's see if we can do it there. Okay, let's try it this way. We'll bring this whole thing there and do it that way. Okay, that's the way we'll do it. So we'll do it that way. You hit this little guy. It's a bug in Fuze. So there is a meeting, and there are the links. You can click on that to check on them. That's there. It's good. Check on that. That's good. Now there's one more other place where you want to have this link. So I think we already have it copied and pasted into our buffer. Let's try it there. Yep, there's the 7.0. So there we go. We've got it. Now we need to put in the 17th on the date here, date and time. So we have that, and it's 10 and 12, 7th date. There we go in Eastern time. We're good. We've got all that in there. Our stuff here at the 17th. That's the numbers. Once that's done, we can say copy event. And it will probably go back to some page we don't want to be at because So I'll just do a hit a back and a back. I apologize some of this. Let's hit events again here. All right, so we have done that. Now I'm going to go and do one other thing. There it is. You can see it. The 17th. Let's go look on the website. And there it is. You can see that in order. There's this, and then the next one coming up there in 7 days, 16 hours. This is 16 hours, so that's good. Now we're going to go to Mailchimp. And we do the last thing, and that is we're going to put a reminder for this in Mailchimp that will come at 9:45 and send Sorry about this. It takes a little time because I got lots of things running here. So Mailchimp.com. We'll do our login. Again, I apologize. We've got lots of things running, recording the screen, various things. Fuze is up, the whole thing. So waiting for thrashing of a machine, which isn't going to win awards now. I guess it's about 5 years old, this machine. So not the fastest. There we go. We're going to take a login here. Apologize for the delay. Hello. My goodness, this is taking a long time. Sorry. There we go. Natural philosophy login. That's what I'll do. Logging in. Okay. Now what we do is we go over to campaigns. Campaigns are basically emails. They call them campaigns. Now I have this one that's going to be, you can see it's scheduled for 9:45 a.m. Saturday, December 10th. This is, of course, on Eastern Standard Time. What's good about this is we can come over here and replicate it. Boy, they think ahead, don't they? And I do too. My software has it, but not Fuze. So we're going to send it to the entire list. We're going to go next. And we're going to then create, change our information, you'll see. This isn't the December 10th. This is a copy, so we're going to get rid of this. We're going to change this to the 17th. Change this to the 17th. This is the campaign name, and this is the email subject. So you don't have to change much because we're using the same one every time. I've already set these things up. Again, we're thrashing here because we're recording and got numbers of things here. So we're going to go to the template of it. Now we'll see that we have something already lit there. We can hit this edit button here, and that's what we're doing. We come over here. I'll move this over a bit, and you can see we'll change this 7th, 17th. This is all the same. The only thing now that's going to change, I'm going to get rid of this, and I have it in the buffer already, the new one. And here we can then click on that and put our web address insert, and there we go for that. Again, we're going to put this here. This is the 17th. This number is not right. We'll get rid of that. This number needs to be put in, so I'll copy and paste that. we will do the same thing here, make that a link. Okay. We'll then put the number in, which is this. There we go. Let's check the link. Maybe it took it still. Oh, sure enough, it's already there. We got all that, so all we have to do is save and close. Then we go to the next. We've gotten all that there. Oh, if you do want to do an email test, you can send an email test and get that. So I do that, but I'm recording here, yes, for everybody on YouTube, and so I'm going to go here next, and I am going to look at this here, make sure everything's okay. Social cards, don't have to worry about that, and I'm going to hit this button, schedule, and this schedule will then allow me to set the schedule. So I'm going to set the schedule here for Saturday the 17th. We're going to send it at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. So that's going to be all scheduled, and then we're going to say schedule campaign. It should give me a big thumbs up here, rock on. So it looks like that should be okay. So I'm going to click on campaigns here, and then we're going to take a look to make sure that's okay, and there enough. It says schedule the 17th, and I believe I can take a look at my email there. Let's see, I'm still logged in as this, so I'll sign out, and I will sign in as me, and we'll see the email that should have been sent as a test, and you can send as many tests as you want. I will do Gmail. I'm sorry, should have had this set up ahead of time, but I've got this Gmail. Let me log in. I got a 1,000 Gmails I log into, so I will log into me. Just wait a little bit. We were 12 minutes in here, but come on. And here we go. I'll be right. I'm almost done here, so I'm logging in. I'm going to test the email and see if it came in. Take a look at it, see what it looks like. There it is, down here. Click on that. Here it is. It says that. There are the new things. It's got all the stuff that we see. And voila. That's pretty much done. So I've taken you through making the event on our website so that it comes up with this, which is in the dashboard under Group'em right here. And the Group'em will open up to events, and that will be right here. We come. There we go, and there we created that. We then went to oh, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. We went to Fuze. We're not going to meet here. We went to Fuze and made the backwards. We made this in Fuze. Then we went to the website, created it there, and now we have the Fuze number. When we got that, then we come over here and we create it. So this is all live and ready to set. So everything's set. We made a new Fuze meeting. We put it on our website. It's there. We have the reminder that will go out 15 minutes ahead of time. Voila, all done. Sorry to take so much time, 13 minutes, almost 14 minutes here. Thank you so much. Hope this helps.